Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can easily make between 100 to 150,000 naira every single month. I'll be breaking this down step by step so that you can understand how you can use this business model to make money every single month without having to invest any money in it. Yes, you heard me right. You are starting this business with at least zero investment. It's funny, right? Zero. You don't need to invest any money in order to get started in this business model I'll be showing you right now. And the fun part of it is that this business model is actually easy and open to virtually everybody. If you're working a 9 to 5, if you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student or a freelancer, if you're virtually doing anything, or you're engaged with something very important and you want a side gig or side hustle that can actually pay you every single month, this video is actually for you. So in a short time, I'll be showing you the exact step on how we can go about this. This business model I'll be showing us today is actually called the retail arbitrage. Most of us have been doing this retail arbitrage, but we don't understand how this actually works, or we have been doing this the wrong way. And most of us have been doing this, but we don't actually know that we're actually doing what we call the retail arbitrage. So in this video, I'll be showing us how the retail arbitrage actually works and how we can leverage the retail arbitrage with zero capital in order to make money every single day. So quickly, let me show you what retail arbitrage simply means. So here now we search for retail arbitrage. This is retail arbitrage. So here, retail arbitrage is a business strategy where individuals purchase products from physical retail stores at low price, often during sales or clearance events, and then resell them for a profit in another market. Let me break it down. So from what we just read, this is a simple buying and selling strategy, but I already mentioned that this is a zero capital investment. Don't get freaked out because I'll be breaking this down for you so that you can understand how you can buy that product at zero capital and sell them for their profit. So quickly, before you start the zero investment retail arbitrage, there are three things you need to put into consideration. First up is your mobile phone, then access to the internet, and the third one is an access to any store you have confidence in. I'll be showing you an example shortly. First up, we'll be taking an example from the Gigi store. As you can see, we have product on Gigi, we have that of Jumia, and we have various online stores like the Kongas and Facebook Marketplace as well. But for this video, I'll be taking an example from the Gigi. So if you come down to Gigi actually has all the products you'll be needing for this retail arbitrage. But I'll be showing you the right way in order to source the right product for the right audience. So when you come down to Gigi here, as you can see, we have vehicles, we have properties, mobile phones and tablets, electronics, home furnitures, and what appliances, and we all have various types of products here on Gigi. So let me quickly use a stay-at-home mom as an example. If you're a stay-at-home mom and you have friends and family that you want to sell products to, first thing that comes to your mind is maybe a family product or maybe a kid's product or something. You understand, right? So the first thing you need to do is to come down to let's say fashion. Yes, this is fashion. This is mostly for either stay-at-home mom or ladies or guys that are into fashion. They can use this to leverage on the retail arbitrage to get the right products and also sell to the right audience. Taking example from the stay-at-home mom, remember we are on fashion. The next thing you need to look out for is the baby and kids fashion. This is baby and kids fashion. This is fashion, and this is baby and kids fashion. So under the baby and kids fashion, we have the babies and kids accessories, we have the children's clothing, and we have the children's shoes. So the next thing you need to take consideration of is within your audience, within your friends, within your family, within your circles, what do you think might be of importance to them? Is it the baby shoes? Is it the baby clothing or the accessories? Most of the times you go for those ones that have more ads on them. As you can see for this, it has about 4,000 ads in it, which is children clothing. So let's quickly open children clothing. Once we do that, it automatically brings us up to an interface that looks exactly like so. But this is what you need to put into consideration when you're starting out in retail arbitrage. Remember to go for products that are of the minimum prices, because now we are looking out for making profit from them. So let's quickly look for a product that is not that expensive. Remember, we are looking out for making profit. Yes, I think we found one, which is this. That is the UK Boys Quality Casual Wears. As you can see, this goes for about 4,200 naira, and this here goes for about 2,700 naira. Do we have any one of less prices? Okay, quickly, let's just go for this as an example. So let's quickly open this product. This product is about 2,700 naira, and as you can see, it's actually negotiable, which means you can buy this lower than 2,700 naira. Wow, this is actually interesting. So you can check on price history. On the price history, this actually started from this point and is actually at this point. So this is actually negotiable. So which means you can bid this price lower and sell to the right audience. So your role in this trade is that you are serving as a middleman between the seller and the buyer, and you're actually making profit from the difference. So I'll be showing you what you do quickly. Since this is negotiable, the first thing you need to do is to contact the seller. Why do you need to contact the seller? This is to ensure that this product is actually available and they are ready for pickups. And this is something you need to put into consideration. Ensure that the market you are getting this product from is within your vicinity. For example, if you are in Lagos, ensure that the vendor is also in Lagos for easy transportation of your goods. So once you have all of those checked, you can come down to contact the seller. Ensure that this product is of good quality as it's stated. Ensure that this product is actually available for pickup, and you could get a bargain from this 2,700. You could buy them for about 2,000 naira or 2,300, or depending on your negotiation skills. And if you look closely, guys, it says if you're buying about 5 of them, 5 of these pieces upward, you get to buy them for about 2,500 naira. So once you have confirmed that this product is actually available, so the next step you need to take after you have confirmed all of those is to leverage on your existing audience. This is actually very important, because then your existing audience, which are the friends, family, or people you already have close relationship with, they tend to pay you upfront. That is, they pay you before they get the products from you. So who are your existing audience? Those are your friends, family, or those people you have close relationship with, especially on WhatsApp, Facebook, or any other social media platform. So once you have your WhatsApp, yes, WhatsApp. So once you have your audience on WhatsApp, so you can get pictures of these products, go on your WhatsApp and post these pictures on your WhatsApp status, post it on groups, and post it on other social media platforms you think you can find your audience, and have them see this product and put a price tag. Since this price on GG is going for 2,700, you could propose to sell this product for about 4,000 naira. You could propose to sell them for about 5,000 naira, and you could put a tag of negotiable on your adverts on Facebook or WhatsApp. Once you have that, you can end up selling that particular product for about 4,500 naira or 4,000 naira, and you are getting profit from the difference. So the next thing you need to do, once you get a buyer on Facebook or on WhatsApp, remember they already know you because you have close relationship with them. You get this money from them. So for example, you are selling this product for 5,000 naira, and the buyer agrees to buy this product for 4,000 naira. In turn, you're making about 1,300 naira for this. And you can tell the buyer, okay, you could buy 2 of different qualities or different colors and all of those, and you're getting about 2,600 from that sale alone. So once you have all of those, then you could go back to the buyer, or if you have multiple others, you could tell the buyer, okay, this is when you'll be getting your products. Then you can contact the seller to get the product down to you. Then you can make your payment and you can send this product down to the buyer, and here you have made profit from that difference. As simple as that, guys. So you can do this not just on this product, you can do this on multiple products, not just on clothes. You can do this on electronics, household equipment, and other things you think your audience might like, and you can post this frequently, and you'll be the front face of those products. But actually what you're doing is what we call the retail arbitrage, getting profit from the difference from the price of the seller and the price of the buyer. Once you do this over time, people get to have trust in your product and your delivery, and they tend to believe and trust you and send money to you. They send money to you at any time requesting for a particular product. So you could hop down to those websites, get those products ready, and send them down to the buyer. And then each time you do this, you get to earn from the difference. And over time, you will see your audience grow bigger. And if you have pages, your pages get visibility. At the long run, you get to monetize your pages and start earning from them while posting ads to make money. As simple and as interesting as that. So I've been doing this over time using tech gadgets and other accessories, and this has been working for me. And I think it's the right time for me to show you how this retail arbitrage actually works. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go straight and try this retail arbitrage out and let me know what you think. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create an amazing content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.